Xerox Iridesse Fuser Web Replacement. Caution: the fuser will be hot. Handle the web with care. Open the IoT right door. Turn the handle latch number 5 a quarter turn counterclockwise and slide the fuser out of the machine. Depress the peach tab at the top. Remove the web by grasping the peach lift handles and lift it out of the fuser assembly. To install a WebAssembly, line up the pin on either side with the slot. Slide the web in and fold the handles down. Then push the top until you hear a click. Slide the fuser into the machine, turn handle 5 clockwise a quarter turn, and then close the IoT right door.